Well, hello, my name is Brett Hirsch. I'm an instructor for overnightaccountant.com, and I would like to introduce you to a spreadsheet we created to help business owners like yourself determine how many units would you have to sell in a particular month to break even, to pay your bills and your business bills. So right now, what I want you to do is I want you to download this spreadsheet from the website or from the YouTube page, depending on where you're watching this, and let's get moving. So as you can see here, if you're looking at the spreadsheet, you can see wherever it's highlighted yellow, you can enter your data. So right here, you'll see I have it's where it says My Business. You will enter your business name there, and this will carry over to the other sheets. And as you can see in this example, say you're starting a business and you need to bring home $5,200 per month to pay your bills. You would enter $5,200 right here. And I've already pre-done most of this just for time purposes, as you can see. Right here, you want to enter your tax rates. You got Social Security, Medicare, your federal income tax, and then also your state and local income tax. And right here, this is based on your effective rate, or is going to be your marginal tax rate, meaning every additional dollar you bring into the home, what rate is it going to be taxed at? I plugged in 20%. That's kind of a middle of the road tax rate. And then also 4% for state and local for every additional dollar that comes into your household. And what is surprising here is you're going to need to generate 39%, or your tax rate, your effective tax rate total for self-employment tax, what we call Social Security, Medicare, and your federal and state tax will be 39%. So as you can see, to bring home $5,200, this spreadsheet's going to show you that you need to generate an additional $3,366 to pay your taxes, which means your business has got to generate, after it pays all its bills, $8,566.72. So that surprises a lot of people because they usually don't take taxes into account when they're doing this. So down here where it's highlighted yellow, as you can see, you want to enter your expenses. So you go through whatever your expenses are. We have them broken down very similar to a tax return. You will see here, however, if you look at this debt payments section of the screen, this is for other items that usually don't show up on your tax return. Sorry, here, let me see. So these really aren't expenses, but this is cash you're going to have to spend, so it's important to put it on here. So any debt payments you want to include, whether it's a credit card payment, you have a mortgage on your office, you have auto payments for your business, you want to plug all those in there. And here you have employees, that section there. And just scroll down, you'll see wherever it's highlighted yellow. I pre-filled most of this, but wherever there's an other thing here, you can enter whatever other costs you may have. You can enter anyone that I did not include in the worksheet itself. And as you can see here, you total down, the expenses for this particular business are $4,168. The grand total your business needs to generate per month to pay both your and its bills now, you know, is $12,735.09. So once you've done that, there's two other tabs down here you can click on. One is if you're billing by the hour, you can see down here. This situation, we're doing a type of business. In this video, we're doing a type of business where you bill by the contract or by the customer. And you want to click on that tab. In this example, let's say this would be like if you're preparing tax returns, you have a club membership, you're doing something, you're cutting hair, as I said, service calls, whatever you would do, you're not really billing by the hour under this instance, you're billing by the contract or by the customer. And let's say, for example, you plug in where it's highlighted. Let's say your average customer, or what you bill your average customer, is going to be, let's say in this example, I got 35 in there, but let's make it 40. $40 is your average customer for a haircut, or whatever you're billing, your contract per month, or whatever that might be. And what this spreadsheet's going to tell you is, looky here, that means you're going to have to service 318 customers per month, or 79 per week. And we use a 4-week month in here just for simplicity's sake. So the question is, can you service or can you obtain almost 80 customers per week in your business? If you can, good, and they're willing to pay $40, you're in good shape. However, what if you can't? Well, you can see down here at the bottom section of the spreadsheet, we have it worked out, determine how much you must bill your average customer. Let's say you have a production constraint where you can only bill so many customers, serve so many customers per week or per day. So this allows you to see what you're going to have to bill also. It's a very useful tool. Let's say, for example, there's 30 in there now, but let's say you can only service, due to whatever constraints you have, 50 customers per week. So that means basically you have to have 200 customers per month to break even and pay your bills, but you're going to have to bill those customers, instead of billing them 40, you're going to have to bill them 63, 68 per month on average for your average customer to break even. Then the question is, your reality check is, will your customers pay that much? Will you be able to create an experience that will entice your customers, or find you that niche in the market that will bring you in customers that are willing to pay $63 as opposed to 40? So there you go. Enjoy the spreadsheet. Talk to you later.